Hi guys, I'm Mackie Messer, but you can call me Mackie, and welcome to my forge. Today on my anvil shaped object here, I'm forging nothing because I've got a real anvil. So that means today I will clean it and make a new stand for it, because this will be too high, because the anvil is bigger. Yeah, it's a real anvil and it's bigger. It's around 83 kilograms. I will put it on the screen somewhere how much pound that is. Yeah, then I will take this away and finally I think I will make... I can put this on this, so finally it's not moving around anymore when I'm working on it. Vice stand. Yeah, I would say let's start by cleaning it, making it rust free, making it beautiful. There are quite a few holes inside here. I don't know what the owner did to you before, but now you're safe. Everything is alright now. Good anvil. Okay, now we will go on to the stand for the anvil. I borrowed a chainsaw from a neighbor, because I was in a store and I wanted to borrow a chainsaw, and they said, "Oh, we can't borrow you chainsaws. Of course, everybody have a chainsaw at home." Yeah, no, not everybody. Okay, so I asked a nice neighbor if he had one for me. And we have one now. So, let's go to the stand. make a little warm up to lift the anvil. So, he's still quite oily, so I put some gloves on, so I hope it doesn't fall on my foot. Here we go. Anvil is done. Unfortunately, I'm not forging today anything because I want to let everything dry. All the silicone I used. But next time. I'm very curious how it feels to work on it. On him, on her. Huh? We will see. Maybe it develops slowly a gender. Yeah, I will make a little montage in the end from the workshop. Just what changed, stuff like this. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hopefully see you next time. And I would love to see a subscription or a comment down below what you want to see next. Ciao and bye bye.